现在是晚上，差不多8点钟，还在华强北。今天一个人都没有采访到。Hello, I'm a YouTuber.
YouTuber?
Yeah, can I shoot a video, make an interview for you?
Yeah. What's going on?
Yes. So I'm in Huaqiangbei here. My name is Jack Chan. I'm
Jackie Chan?
Jack Chan. Jack Chan. Yeah, I interview the foreigner, the buyer, come to Shenzhen.
Yep.
Everybody knows Shenzhen is the electronics product, the world of the electronics product here.
Uh-huh.
Everybody come here to buy and sell.
Yep.
So have you ever been to here before?
Yes.
Okay. So you know here very much.
I came in 2019.
2019. Okay.
7 years.
7 years ago.
7 years, yeah.
So you must know here very well.
Not too well. It's so big and so much going on that you can't memorize this place, you know?
So your accent like American.
Yes.
Okay, American. Okay. So what kind of product you purchase? You buy and usually?
Cell phone accessories.
Cell phone.
Phone cases, phone chargers, phone accessories.
Good. I meet a lady who come from the factory last week. There, he sending the goods to his customer. Also the cable, the charger.
Yes.
Something like that for the mobile phone. If you want to see the factory, I really want to be, I really want to be introduce you to the factory and the factory meet you, so you can buy the product directly from the factory, not from the middleman.
Gotcha.
Yes. So which city, which state are you from?
North Carolina.
North Carolina. Okay. North Carolina is in the south. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, in the south.
Yep.
At the beginning, the people move from Europe. They come to this state, I think. North Carolina.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So, what's your name?
Anthony.
Anthony.
Yep.
Anthony. I'm Jack Chan. So, if do you want to have something to say to my follower? By the end of this year, I guess my channel will become 100,000 followers by the end of this year. But until now, only 1,000.
Are you just doing interviews this area?
Yes.
Yeah.
Focusing in this area.
Yeah.
Focusing for the electronics product.
Gotcha. It's definitely a place to come.
Yes.
Yeah, that's all I can say is you got to come see it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for your interview.
Thank you.
Can I have your contact number or WeChat or WhatsApp so that I can follow you and the people can find you?